We had to make sure it rolls down. So after that, we do our water lines. Now, our water lines, this is PEX, a PEX, P-E-X pipe. And we use PEX fittings, rings, and everything on here. So what we like to do, and Tom likes to run a trunk line through here, and then we tee off. Off that trunk line, we'll go to our kitchen sink. If there was a bathroom sink, we'd tee off of that, feed our bathroom sink. Then we come over here, and we come up, and we go into our water heater and our toilet. So our toilet sits here and faces that way. So we'll come up, and then we've got a water heater. We've got a house over here with a water heater. And so we know that it comes off a certain amount of floor, our fittings and our water. It's about 38 inches. And so we got these drawings, so the guys will remember when they're doing their partnership, they know to cut these off, come out at a 90, and they've got their water at 38 inches off the floor. There'll be a gas line also here. So this is for the water heater. They'll tee off, they'll put another tee here after their framing, and that'll feed their toilet.